If you've ever heard your stomach growl, it's actually not coming from your stomach at all. It's coming from your small intestine. After your stomach finishes digesting a meal, it sends the remaining contents downward, and your small intestine begins contracting in a wave-like motion to push everything through. These contractions squeeze the air and fluid already sitting inside the intestine. And as the gas gets compressed and pushed along, it creates that low rumbling sound. The growling gets louder when your intestine is empty because there's nothing to muffle it.